Sophisticated attackers like APTs and ransomware actors typically start a campaign with an identity compromise. Attackers can exploit identities on endpoints, applications, and even identity stores. Acalvio ShadowPlex Identity Protection is the comprehensive identity protection solution, covering both attack surface management and high-fidelity threat detection and response. Attack surface management is the proactive component of identity protection. Attackers leverage even legitimate and valid configurations and security relationships to exploit accounts. ShadowPlex evaluates enterprise network configurations based on identity attack vectors. Equipped with this pre-attack stage visibility, defense teams can proactively reduce the identity attack surface and dramatically lower the risk of an identity compromise. Attackers specifically target Active Directory assets, such as ADFS, Azure AD Connect, and ADCS. ShadowPlex AD assessment goes beyond just the Active Directory and includes all elements of an AD ecosystem. With a 150+ point analysis of the ecosystem, ShadowPlex focuses on the threat surface of privileged identities. These include service accounts and human users with privilege such as shadow admins and domain admins. AD assessment provides specific recommendations for mitigating the AD attack surface. The solution also performs periodic assessments that account for changes to the AD attack surface. Hackers uncover possible attack paths through security relationships between AD objects, cached identities, and through vulnerable endpoints. ShadowPlex Attack Path Analytics maps out possible attack paths by combining data from the Active Directory, endpoints, and applications. This analysis delivers use cases such as the pathways leading to a key asset, and blast radius analysis. ShadowPlex maps out how an attacker could escalate an attack from an unprivileged identity to a privileged one. Defense teams use this data to reduce the set of attack pathways. ShadowPlex Attack Surface Management is delivered through a SaaS service, designed for scale and to support large environments with multiple AD domains. Acalvio ShadowPlex uses deception on the enterprise network to detect and respond to threats. ShadowPlex deploys an extensive palette of honey token accounts and honey tokens to detect attacker actions and lure them away from real assets. Since legitimate users would have no reason to interact with deceptions, ShadowPlex detections are high-fidelity detections. ShadowPlex can detect threats against human user accounts, service accounts, and application identities. Defense teams collect critical attacker information to stop attack progression. Seamlessly integrating across several EDR solutions, ShadowPlex automates response actions such as blocking identity account access and quarantining an endpoint. Response teams also receive alerts over several channels. Contact Acalvio to find out more about enhanced identity protection for your enterprise.